Good morning. Today we are going to start one compartment open order list. One compartment open model has been also discussed in the class, but for your review, one compartment open modeling, we should have a look over it. See, we have told about the one compartment open model. One compartment open model is compartment modeling, and one compartment model is the simplest model that we have told that the body is considered as a single with a kinetically homogeneous, and there is no barrier for the movement of the drug move dynamically in and out, and the rate of input is greater than the rate of the out. So apart from this, when we go to the one compartment, the open indicates that the input and the output are unidirectional, means that the drug can be eliminated from the body. So this is the means of an open model. So when we go to the open model, it's IV bolus, continuous IV infusion, EV administration, zero order absorption, EV administration, first order absorption. When we go to the IV bolus is when large amount of medication is given internally. Continuous IV infusion is very much slower, at a slower rate. When we talk about the IV infusion and IV bolus, what is the difference? जब डॉक्टर जो है एक बार में ही ड्रग डाल दे आपके IV रूट में, IV वेन से इंजेक्शन दे के निडल विड्रॉ कर ले, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड IV bolus. एंड कंटिन्यूस IV infusion इज दिस व्हेन हम स्लो रेट से जो है अपनी ड्रग को देते हैं. EV एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड EV एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ज़ीरो ऑर्डर, कोई भी रूट जब हम ड्रग को जो है कोई भी डोजेस फॉर्म को IV रूट से छोड़ के किसी भी रूट से देते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्स्ट्रावेस्कुलर रूट. So an extravascular route can be zero order absorption or first order absorption. What is zero order absorption? When constant amount of the drug is eliminated per unit time, it is called a zero order absorption. And when a constant proportion of the drug, proportion is different thing and amount is a different thing. So when the constant proportion of the drug is eliminated from the body per unit time, it is called first order absorption. So coming out the IV bolus में in this equation, when a drug distributes rapidly in the body, it forms in a rapid IV injection, that is called as IV bolus. मतलब जो rapid IV injection है, so that is called IV bolus, and therefore it circulates in the body in 1 to 3 minutes. So the phenomena of absorption is ignored. So since rate absorption is absent, the equation become dx by dt is equal to minus dot, and the elimination rate constant is Ke, that shows the first order elimination rate constant, and negative sign shows that the drug is being lost from the body, and x is the amount of drug at any time t. ठीक है. अब हम बात करते हैं एस्टिमेशन ऑफ फार्माकोकाइनेटिक पैरामीटर्स. एस्टिमेशन ऑफ फार्माकोकाइनेटिक पैरामीटर्स, देयर आर 3 पैरामीटर्स: elimination rate constant, half life and clearance. Elimination rate constant, that we have integrated the equation equation number 3, and in integrated form the form is in the x is equal to x naught minus k at, where x naught is the amount of drug at a time t0. So that equation can be rewritten in the exponential form, that is x is equal to x naught e up to the power minus k e by t, and we convert this equation in a logarithm form. We got equation number 6. So apart this, the formula of volume of distribution is Vd is equal to x by c. So when we have to take the value of x, we know that what volume of distribution हमने पढ़ा था. So when we used to, what is volume of distribution? When we see it's very difficult to determine the amount of amount of drug in the body x. So advantages is taken that there is a constant relationship exists between the drug concentration in the plasma and X. So thus X is equal to VDC, where VD is known as the apparent volume of distribution. So here the equation we got, VD is equal to X by C, and this is equation then we can put this equation in a concentration form. It's called log C is equal to log C naught minus KET 2.03303. So from the slope it will be formed that the elimination rate constant is directly obtained from the slope lines. Then we talk about the elimination half-life. It is called as a biological half-life. See, it is what is half-life? It is the time taken for the amount of the drug in the body as well in the plasma concentration to decline by 1/2 of 50% of the initial value is known as the half-life. So that is called the biological half-life. So for this the formula is T half is equal to 0.693 upon Ke. So when we talk about from the word clearance, what is clearance? So clearance is the most important parameter in which clinical drug application and it's useful in evaluating the mechanism by which a drug is eliminated by the whole organism or by particular organ. So when we talk about the clearance, so clearance is the CL is equal to, it is the theoretical volume of the body fluid containing the drug from which the drug is completely removed in a given period of time. This is what we have talked about, apparent volume of distribution, clearance. Okay, the clearance at an individual organ level is called an organ clearance. So it is estimated by dividing the rate of elimination by each organ with the concentration of drug presented to it. For example, if I talk about the renal clearance, so renal clearance is denoted by CLR and it is the rate of elimination by kidney by C. So in organ clearance, if I talk about the hepatic clearance, that is the liver, so then CLH is equal to rate of elimination by liver upon C. And if we talk about the other organ clearance, CL others, so it's a rate of clearance by. So it's a clearance. When we talk about the particular organ, it's a clearance. When we talk about the renal clearance, it's a rate of elimination by kidney. When we talk about the hepatic clearance, it's a rate of elimination by liver. And when other organs as a skin hair, that will also use as a clearing organ, so it is known as the other. So total when we talk about the total body clearance, is the total systematic clearance, is an additive property of individual organ clearance. So because of the additivity of the clearance, the relative contribution by any organ in eliminating a drug can be easily calculated. So here's according to the non-compartment method for a drug given by IV bolus, the equation becomes CLT is equal to X naught upon AUC, and for a drugs given EV route, CLT is equal to Fx naught by AUC. So this is the one compartment model, one compartment open models extravascular route.